The shocking truth about your liver after 50. What the industry doesn't want you to know. Get ready for a shocking revelation. Everything you know about your liver might be wrong. Do you think it stores toxins? Wrong. Our liver is a detoxifying hero, but it can lose this vital function if it becomes fatty. Imagine having boundless energy, a strong immune system, and excellent health in just a few weeks. I'll show you how to cut out harmful foods and add superfoods that transform your liver. Stay with me until the end of this video and discover the secret to a healthy liver that the industry doesn't want you to know. The liver is not a sponge that stores toxins. It's a vital organ that detoxifies the body. When the liver becomes fatty, it loses this crucial ability. 3 main problems can affect the liver: fatty liver, inflammation, or a combination of both, which can lead to scarring and cirrhosis. Fatty liver, known as hepatic steatosis, occurs when the organ accumulates more fat than normal. This is usually the result of a diet high in refined sugars and trans fats, excessive alcohol consumption, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and other metabolic factors. Fatty liver can be classified into 2 types. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, is related to factors like poor diet and a sedentary lifestyle, occurring in people who do not consume alcohol or consume it in minimal amounts. Alcoholic steatohepatitis, ASH, on the other hand, is caused by excessive alcohol consumption, which overloads the liver and impairs its ability to metabolize fats. If left untreated, fatty liver can progress to inflammation and cause more serious damage. Inflammation of the liver, known as hepatitis, can be caused by viral infections, excessive alcohol consumption, toxins, medications, or autoimmune diseases. There are several types of hepatitis. Viral hepatitis includes hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E, each caused by different viruses and transmitted through various means, such as contaminated food, blood, or bodily fluids. Alcoholic hepatitis results from excessive alcohol consumption, causing inflammation and damage to liver cells. Drug-induced or toxic hepatitis is caused by medications, toxins, or exposure to chemicals that damage the liver. Constant liver inflammation can lead to the formation of scar tissue, further compromising its functions. When the liver is exposed to repeated damage or chronic inflammation, it attempts to repair itself by forming scar tissue, a process called fibrosis. If the damage continues, fibrosis can progress to cirrhosis, the most advanced form of liver scarring. Cirrhosis alters the liver's structure and affects its ability to function properly. Common causes of cirrhosis include alcohol abuse, chronic hepatitis, fatty liver disease, and genetic disorders such as hemochromatosis and Wilson's disease, which affect the liver's ability to process minerals. Cirrhosis can lead to severe complications, such as liver failure, portal hypertension, esophageal varices, and hepatocellular carcinoma, liver cancer. Understanding these problems and their causes is crucial for adopting preventive measures and seeking appropriate treatments to keep the liver healthy and functional. The liver performs over 500 tasks, but let's highlight a few. It converts ammonia into urea, preventing the buildup of toxins in the body. It also regulates hormones like estrogen, cortisol, and testosterone, preventing imbalances that can cause various health issues. For example, a damaged liver can lead to an accumulation of estrogen, especially in older men, causing hair loss and an increase in breast tissue. Another vital function is converting the thyroid hormone T4 into T3, the active form of the hormone, which is crucial for preventing hypothyroidism. Growth hormone also relies on the liver to function properly, as does the activation of vitamin D. Without a healthy liver, these vital functions can be compromised. The liver also transforms toxins into water-soluble particles, which are easily eliminated from the body. This includes pesticides, herbicides, heavy metals, and toxins from processed foods. Additionally, the liver produces bile, which is necessary for the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. Another vital function is converting the thyroid hormone T4 into T3, the active form of the hormone, which is crucial for preventing hypothyroidism. Growth hormone also relies on the liver to function properly, as does the activation of vitamin D. Without a healthy liver, these vital functions can be compromised. The liver also transforms toxins into water-soluble particles, which are easily eliminated from the body. This includes pesticides, herbicides, heavy metals, and toxins from processed foods. Additionally, the liver produces bile, which is necessary for the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. First, high-fructose corn syrup, produced from inedible dent corn, undergoes numerous chemical processes to become the sweetener found in many processed foods. This syrup is primarily metabolized by the liver, leading to inflammation, insulin resistance, and issues like fatty liver. Another villain is processed seed oils, often extracted with solvents like hexane. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can cause oxidative stress and inflammation, and are unnatural for human consumption in large quantities. Another villain is processed seed oils, often extracted with solvents like hexane. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can cause oxidative stress and inflammation, and are unnatural for human consumption in large quantities. Another villain is processed seed oils, often extracted with solvents like hexane. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can cause oxidative stress and inflammation, and are unnatural for human consumption in large quantities. Additionally, avoid sugary drinks and sodas, which are loaded with refined sugars and can lead to fat accumulation in the liver. Processed meats, such as sausages and bacon, contain preservatives and additives that can be toxic to the liver. Foods high in trans fats, like margarine and fried foods, increase inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. By avoiding these foods, you help protect your liver from damage and maintain good liver health. Now, let's talk about foods that help keep your liver healthy. First, dark leafy vegetables like spinach and kale, which are rich in vitamin C, folate, magnesium, and potassium, all of which are important for liver health. Cruciferous vegetables, such as radishes, arugula, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage, are especially beneficial due to their sulfur-containing compounds that aid in detoxification. Organic eggs from free-range chickens are another excellent choice. Egg yolks are rich in choline, a crucial nutrient for preventing fatty liver and promoting liver health. Wild-caught fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, are also great for the liver. These fatty acids are anti-inflammatory and help protect the liver by balancing cholesterol levels. Healthy fats, such as olive oil and medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, found in butter from grass-fed cows, are less stressful for the liver and can help protect against fatty liver. Probiotic foods, such as raw sauerkraut, kimchi, and organic kefir, are essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which is closely linked to liver health. An imbalanced microbiome can lead to elevated liver enzymes and an increased risk of fatty liver disease. Additionally, fruits like avocado, rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, and citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons, which contain vitamin C and other antioxidants, are beneficial for the liver. Garlic and onions, due to their sulfur compounds, also aid in liver detoxification. Finally, grass-fed meats like lamb, goat, beef, and venison are rich in essential nutrients for liver health. These high-quality meats can help keep the liver functioning optimally. There are also two supplements that can be useful for those suffering from liver cirrhosis: tocopherol, a type of vitamin E, and TUDCA, a bile salt that helps keep the liver healthy. These supplements can be a good addition to the diet for those struggling to maintain liver health. Always remember to consult a doctor before taking any supplements, even natural ones. If you haven't watched my video, Fatty Liver, the shocking truth you need to know even after 50, yet you're missing out on life-changing insights. Learn all about how to protect and revitalize your liver with practical and effective tips. Don't miss it. Your health will thank you. Click on the screen or the link in the description to watch now. We hope you find this information useful and can incorporate these habits into your routine to keep your liver healthy and functioning perfectly. See you next time.